guys, just a quick video with these lights. I'm having an issue. As you can see, it's on right now. It's on the turning signal, but it's not clear enough. I'm not getting the full light. So I was right here at the dealer, and I just purchased the light, and this is the part number. Let me see if I can get the link in the description. This is the part number for these lights. They're kind of expensive. I just paid like $80 for each light. So it was $160 for just this light. I'm gonna see if I can clean the pins. Maybe that'll fix the issue. If you don't want to buy a new light, in this case I'm gonna replace it anyways, but we're gonna try to see if I can still use this one for a little bit. So as you can see, pins are very dirty, and I'm gonna be using the starting fluid to clean the pins. I have this brush so I can clean the pins, and hopefully it'll work. So I already cleaned the pins. I can probably do a little better, but this is good for now. I just run on the road right now. Just want to see if it actually works now. So as you can see, it's working now. Getting the full light. So if you're having one of these issues, maybe you can try to clean the pins before you start to replace the whole light. They're kind of expensive, so in this case I'm still gonna replace it. But if you're on the road and you're having issues, there's no stores to get the lights, try to clean the pins before. So thank you for watching.